Welcome to the unboxing of the Blaupunkt BGx 5404, a set of 4 inches, 4-way quadaxial speakers featuring a PP injected cone, with a maximum power handling of 60 watts and a shallow mounting depth of just 51.5 millimeters. The package includes a pair of speaker cables, screws and brackets for installation, and a user manual. Get ready for a fantastic sound experience while enjoying your listening sessions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.